Hello, friends. Welcome to our Learn Science and Chemistry podcast by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Dear friends, in today's podcast, we are going to learn about some interesting facts about oxygen element. Dear friend, oxygen is very important from its essential role in respiration to its cosmic abundance. Oxygen is more than just the air we breathe. Dear friends, oxygen is very necessary for life on this planet Earth. Oxygen is essential for the survival of most living organisms. It plays a key role in cellular respiration, where it is used to produce energy. All animals and plants we see around us requires oxygen from the respiration. Oxygen is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. It is the third most abundant element in the universe, following hydrogen and helium. On Earth, it constitutes about 21% of the atmosphere. Oxygen in its most common form exists as O2, that is diatomic molecule. A diatomic molecule with two oxygen atoms bonded together. Ozone O3 is a form of oxygen which forms a protective layer in the Earth's atmosphere. This layer is known as the ozone layer. This layer is responsible for shielding life on Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiations. Oxygen is supporter of combustion, making it crucial for various combustion processes such as burning fuel for energy production. Oxygen is used in medical settings to support patients with respiratory conditions and is a common component for medical gases. Liquid oxygen has a boiling point of minus 183 degrees Celsius, that is about minus 297 degree Fahrenheit, and is used in various industries including rocket propulsion systems. Liquid oxygen has pale blue color. Oxygen bars where individuals can inhale purified oxygen for recreation purposes become a trend in certain wellness and entertainment settings. In high altitude locations and during aviation, supplemental oxygen is provided to compensate for lower oxygen levels, preventing hypoxia. Oxygen was first discovered by scientist Carl Wilhelm Scheele in 1772 and independently by another scientist Joseph Priestley in 1774. Anthony Lavoisier later recognized it as an element essential for combustion and respiration. Dear friends, do not forget to visit our website from where you can learn more about these interesting facts and get knowledge about physical and chemical properties of oxygen, whose link is provided in the description of this podcast. You can also buy oxygen related hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts where oxygen is printed on these t-shirts, and you can motivate others to buy science inspiring t-shirts, hoodies, and many other accessories, whose link is also given in this description of this podcast. The name of our newly launched website where you can buy science inspired accessories and clothes, whose is www.mysciencestore.com or https://mysciencestore.com, whose link is also provided in the description of this podcast. Also visit our website to download infographic on oxygen facts and share with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe us at this podcast and also join us at WhatsApp and Telegram channel to learn more about science and chemistry. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. I am your host Jitendra Singh Sandhu. Thank you to listening this podcast. See you soon in next podcast very soon.